How to create your own YouTube subscribe button. First, open one of the Logo Maker websites. The link is in the description. Click on My Design. Then click on Create a new design. Click on T on the left. Then you can type subscribe. You can change the color to red. Then select Square from the box on the left. Move it on top of the text and then drag it to make a rectangle. Change the color of the rectangle to red. Click on the rectangle and then select Style on the top. Move the pointer on the roundness slider to the right to make the rectangle corner round. Select and drag a triangle from the left to the center of rectangle. Rotate the triangle 90 degrees. Shrink the triangle to make it smaller. And then change the color to white. Once it's done, the subscribe button is ready, but it is too big. To shrink it, we need to select all the objects on the canvas. And then shrink it. When you are doing it, it will show you the height and width of the object by pixel. To make sure it can be used in YouTube, you need to make the height and width of this logo less than 150 pixels. To make your text bold, you can click on Outline on top of the color wheel. Once it's done, you can download it by click the Save button of the top right corner. Click on Save the low-resolution PNG file. Check the Acceptance checkbox to download the image. You should be able to find the subscribe button in your download folder. Congratulations!